Bring it up. Now, I have this tool right here. This trim type tool, I can right click on and choose either red roller or yellow roller. In this case, I'm gonna turn off red roller and just choose yellow roller and have this yellow roller trim. If I move my cursor near to the cut point, my cursor will turn into a yellow roller. Here it's not, here it is, here it's not, here it is. So now I'm on the edge of this clip. If I click this, it'll grab my video and my audio tracks together. And that's only grabbing my video and audio tracks together because I have this on, the link selection toggle. I push this and I roll this out. This is a single roller. And I push this way to the left, and it then rolls this footage out this way. And you'll see the footage starts going downstream here and gets unraveled to the left. So now I'm gonna grab here and I'm gonna pull to the right and get rid of this footage here. When I pull to the left, I'm gonna remove frames from the tail of the A side. So I'm gonna pull back this way and remove frames from here, less frames. Now on the A side, again, the reverse, if I push to the right, I'm gonna make this clip longer. So I'm gonna push the right, and it's gonna push everything down and make this clip longer. And that's the fundamentals of trimming with single roll inside of Avid Media Composer.